Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I've got a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to use my Floetrol and my big swipe card. And I don't know if it's going to be a finished piece, but it's going to be the first stage for me. Pour some of that Floetrol right down there. And I'm going to start with a yellow sky. If I can get some paint to come out. Oh, really? Yeah, I definitely got some paint to come out. That is some gold now. The mustard color I started with was Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. Now, this is some iridescent white pearl from Golden. And I am going to indulge myself with a little bit of that. And I don't know if that's going to be a good idea or not, but I'm going to start with a smaller card, smaller swipe card, and I am going to dip it into some Floetrol just because I can. I'm not sure that's the straight edge. Wow. I didn't get much of anything left over on that at all. That was a surprise. Okay, well, I'm just going to go back and use another card. I'm taking a big chance with that purple, but I really wanted to know. I've got some Decor Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. Right there. And I want a little more real orange. And I'm going to dip my card in my Floetrol again. Because I can. Hey, that rhymed. I'm going to push some of this right over the edge. I do not mind if I have cells in my sky. That's why I'm using the Floetrol. I've been doing some stripes today. And it's inspired me to at least want to try. I'm going to pull that over to the edge. Knock all the extra paint off that's on that card and use it to cover that edge. I don't have to wipe it off on a puppy pad, and I don't have to pour it away. I can find a way to use it. It's what I like. So that's not a bad start, I don't think. I'm really inclined to give myself some more down at the bottom just because I can. No idea what that's going to look like. But I don't usually put it into a puddle. Hey look, I've even got that paint that squirted right over. Let's use up the paint on my card again. I didn't realize it was there, but it is. And now my top is pretty well covered, and so is this edge. Very good. So it's time. I'm going to get my bottles out of the way, evidently. Use my card to add some texture to my sky before I go back again. Might need a little more paint over there. Doesn't matter if I don't have the Floetrol on the card for the sky. Just going to fill it in a little bit at a time. I love that sky. That's cool. I got something in there that needs to come out. And a little bit of my edge needs to be covered. And my paint is yellow. My yellow paint is deep enough for me to steal some. And all those little cells look just like clouds. At least they do to me. Cool. Excellent, in fact. I'm very pleased with that. Now I'm going to wipe my card off so I don't have any more yellow. I am going to grab some Amsterdam white that I just made up and put it in a somewhat random pattern. And do the same thing with the Prussian blue. The dioxazine purple. Come on out. I guess not. That's the dioxazine purple. The other one had some iridescent pearl fine in it. Maybe I can substitute it. I have some Arteza, which is an awesome color actually. I want some black. I want some gold. I want some copper. I always want some copper. And I will decide if I want any green after I do this. So, I'm going to clean off my swipe card, or am I? Yeah, I am. I'm going to use my bigger swipe card, much bigger. And I'm going to put a little more, can I get that silver? No? Oh, of course not. Oh, I know what I do have. I have some of this wonderful iridescent deep teal that I can't even remember the name of at the moment. Surprise. I do want some of this 24 karat gold with orange in it. And I am not planning on doing anything small to start with. I put the wrong side in. Oh my goodness. I am going to take all that paint and attempt to use it right now on the edges. Because I can always dip the next swipe cards into the Floetrol. I don't have to worry about doing all of it at once. I got some great cells. Some interesting patterns. Just going to press the card down with the paint residuals on it right into the holes, the gaps. Leave the little yellow in the background, it's fine. Looks like a reflection from the sky anyway. Looks like a really cool cliff. And I can probably take my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas and take any of that paint right off there. Kind of like the white areas, but they're blank canvas, and although I can keep them, and I can, because you won't tell the difference tomorrow, it'll just remind me that maybe I want to put some more white in my next mix. So that's very cool, step one, and it might be step two also. It might be done. So my card is almost completely clean of paint. My edges are almost completely covered. And still a little more from where? From right there. Fill in that little gap. I could probably Yep, I'm liking all of that. So I'm going to show you guys. There's over 91,000 of you guys subscribed and a few hundred at a time watch, and that's not as helpful as I'd like it to be. So if you are interested in giving me assistance, please watch the videos longer. Share the videos, watch them when the notifications come out, and give me a thumbs up if you like what I do, so I can feel like continuing to do it. And I love sharing with you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I'm really glad that you're here. Thank you for being here. Look for over 1,700 videos on my channel, on playlists, all created playlists, all playlists. If you need a link to anything, ask me. My 1,700 videos are organized by the 100 and also by topic and genre. And if you have questions, feel free to ask them too. If you need anything at all, I'm happy to try and help you. I may not always have the answers, but I'll give it my best shot. So thank you everyone for the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. And thank you for the wonderful comments and compliments that keep my morale boosted. Please, by all means, check out my email address under the link tree. If you're interested in taking a class at the house in Spring Hill or making a purchase of an artwork, that's the best way to inquire. Find the hashtag at the beginning of every title or at the end if it's an older one and I haven't edited it yet. There's a drawing every month for paintings or books or a combination of something that you'll see whichever month it is, you'll see it in the exhibition video that's on the end screen, and it'll include the prizes for that month. And should you happen to be donating to support me through PayPal or Patreon, you'll be automatically entered. So I have under the link tree our Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and Pinterest is where I post every day. I also have Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and tomorrow's video will be there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More has a Shop Now button that'll take you to fineartamericanpixels.com, where I have over 1,400 items, and each of them have like 100 items they can be too. If you want something created and made into an article of clothing that I offer, or a duvet cover or anything, just please let me know, because everything that you shop helps me out somewhat, a little bit at a time. Like shopping the Amazon link is assistance to me at no added cost to you. My 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Lull in the conversation. Oh, diatribe. Anyway, I love you guys. Look under the link tree for my website if you're interested, and know that I love you dearly, and I love these cells. This Floetrol is great. Even if I didn't remember to use it pervasively all the way across, it makes really great texture. And I hope you guys decide to come again tomorrow. And sometimes on weekends, there's 3 or 4 videos. I changed my other channel's name from Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art to Paint Adventures Priscilla Batzell. So there's a lot of good videos there before I decide to shut that channel down completely. You might want to go check them out. Oh, I'm going to show you those cells, because those cells are the bomb. Let's see if I can go all the way across. Look at those. I could do anything to this tomorrow. I could put the silhouette of trees blacked by a black silhouette. I could put a sun in the sky, or I could do nothing at all, because it's pretty darn neat for me just the way it is. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.